Hello everybody, welcome to this video, welcome to this very lovely morning that we have today. And I just had breakfast, and at this particular time of the year, after breakfast, I like to play with my homemade furnace that I created here basically in my backyard. And today I want to show you how everything works and how I did it, so let's go. Okay, so the concept is fairly simple. I just dig a hole into the ground and then I position this cement, concrete, something into the ground. And this was probably part of some grill or barbecue, whatever you want to call it, or maybe it was even something to plant plants inside. So, and then one of my friends, he cut hole into this, and now we have like this dome shaped sort of thing where we can burn stuff here inside. Okay, so unfortunately it's not working as we expected it to, because we are exposing it to some very high temperatures, and you can see how here on the edges all over it starts to crack. So on the inside also it cracked quite a bit, so a few more times when we light it up and then it's going to be finished. So I think it's gonna start collapsing or something, I don't know, but for now it will do for this demonstration. And basically how it works is that we just position it into the ground. Here we have normal earth, and then we leave a hole on the bottom, a steel pipe or something, through which we blow air with this ventilator, industrial air blower, or whatever you want to call it. So this can push a lot of air really fast. So yes, I will turn it on. It has 3 settings, 1, 2 and 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. So now you will see it's already blowing here. You can hear it. Now my phone is getting dirty from all the ashes, but it's okay. Let me turn it off. And now what we will do, we will take some small pieces of wood and we will get a normal fire going right here. So stay tuned. Okay, so now I will take a small piece of wood here and position it here. Okay, and then I take this cube, which is very flammable, and I will then ignite it and put some wood beside it, so it starts to burn. Okay, so now we get the fire going. Some more wood and some more. Okay, a little bit more, and like this. So this will take a couple of minutes for it to ignite, and then I will show you the trick. So if you want to accelerate this a little bit, then we can also put some carton on top. Maybe some more. So now we just have to wait that the fire gets going. Put some more wood maybe. Opa. But this will be okay, I think. So now we just have to be patient. See you soon when we have a decent fire. Okay, so earlier I put some more wood into this, and now it caught a fire, pretty decent fire. And now when it's done this, we can put the ventilator on stage 1, so you will see how much bigger the fire gets when it has air supply from the ventilator. So let's try stage 1, and the ventilator will slowly start working. Now you will see that everything accelerates. Yes, this is exactly what I was talking about. It gets a little bit crazy, so don't try this at home unless you are a trained professional like myself. Obviously, we are not amateurs, we are professionals in everything we do. Keep that in mind, yeah? So you see, the fire is getting crazy, and this is only stage 1, so we can try stage 2. Even crazier. This is getting crazy, my friends. And now stage 3. Yeah, this is nuts. Okay, so now we can add big wood, big wood. Whoa! Burning like crazy. Let's move this. See guys, this was what I was talking about. It's really cool. So later, when we get a little bit heat going, we're going to add coal for barbecue, and then we're gonna have a barbecue. No, just kidding, we're going to melt some stuff. So I actually ran out of wood, and I'll have to get some more, so one more piece and then we add in the coal and we will see what happens. So I just came back and the furnace is going crazy. It's going really nuts. Let's add in another piece. Whoa! Yeah, so we will let that burn for a couple of minutes and then we add in the coal really slowly. But yeah, it's already getting fun. So the fire is now burning like crazy, and before I put in the coal I will have to turn off the ventilator, otherwise it will be way too hot. And now you will see how small the fire gets without air supply, so almost like it disappears for a while. It calms down, so now we will add the coal. I will get all black from this stuff. So now let's put, you know what, I don't really want to do this slow. I just put the whole thing in, so let's just put it in. And now turn on the fan. Old school style. Now let's see what happens. Already looks pretty cool. Really cool. Burn! Burn, my friend. This is so cool. And there he goes. Now this is going to get really hot because coal emits way more energy than normal wood. So yes, and I will also put this on top, this sort of steel thing. And then we are going to put stuff on this steel thing and we're going to melt it, so you experience the heat. And we can start off with some cloth that I got from I don't know where, but yeah, check this out. This is plastic and it starts to melt. Let's throw this thing on top. See it. Let's back off a little bit. This is actually really cool in real life. Let me know in the comments if you guys like to watch this stuff. Sometimes if I find something I don't like in my house or stuff I don't need, I just burn it here because it's entertaining. So if you guys like to watch it, let me know. Everything we put on this fire sort of acts like fuel for the fire, you know, because it's all made out of carbon anyway. So yeah, it's crazy. I'm gonna go a little bit back because it's getting really hot here. You cannot feel this, but I can. Okay, now let's go. Let's grab this stuff. Grab this plastic stuff. We will burn this shit too. Let's see how this works. Burn. Let's burn it. This is why I like to do stuff like this. It's pretty fun. But it gets hot. So I have also found some Lego toys and some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles stuff, so I will put it on also. And it disappears. It starts to burn really dark. See guys, this is how you can destroy everything you have at home, but take care, you know, because it gets really hot. So it's a cool activity to waste your time with, you know. There are worse things, definitely worse things. I'm telling you, it's better than watching Netflix, guaranteed. So try it out, but only if you're a trained professional like myself, obviously. Now let's put some other plastic stuff. It gets really small really fast. Now it fell off. Let's try another one. Oh, now it's really hard to hold the camera in one hand and do this shit with the other. Yeah, it just eats up everything. Everything you're gonna throw at this shit is going to destroy it. show you. You can make this at home in maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, I don't know, and get the fire going. But please take care of yourself. This could be dangerous. I'm going to let this burn now until the end, until the coal loses the energy, and then that's it. Yes, so thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care. Maybe see you in another video. Let me know if you enjoyed this. Maybe we can put out some other videos out how we destroy stuff. But that's it for now. Take care. Ciao.